DJ ATV.
How are you?
Fine, sir.
What are your names?
Ada Collect Sunday, Ada.
You are who?
I'm Inspector Ada Collect Sunday, Ada.
Which of the force are you with?
Nigerian Security and Civil Defense.
Yes, what today's date?
Today is 24th.
Check your brain work. This is the 25th.
Today is 25th.
25th of what?
Of December
Which year?
2020.
What happened that you are here? In the police station?
We are in charges house on duty. So I'm going around checking our men on duty, coming back. I said, let me warm the air
Warm the air with what?
with my rifle.
What type of rifle?
AK.
AK what?
AK is 54.
How many magazines were you carrying?
I'm carrying 3 magazine with 90 rounds.
Okay. As you warm the air, what happened?
I want to be with 2 shots. So I want to bring my rifle down. This thing now hang the Christmas light, trying to force it down so I can clear my magazine. My hand now press the trigger.
And you asked your arm.
2 shots now came out.
As 2 shots came out, what did that 2 shots do? Those 2 shots do?
I didn't even see anybody. Next thing I saw is those bouncers began to beat me, drag my rifle and everything.
Yes, now, what did you discover that those 2 shots have done?
They say somebody was injured and 1 died.
Did 1 injured or the 2 died?
I didn't even know because the beating was much. I think they were just saying one was injured and the other one died. That's what they were telling me. I don't know till now.
Okay, if I'm clear, that means today being the 25th of December 2020, were you really posted to that place?
Yes, sir.
Where are you serving as
I'm
a civil
serving
defense
in
officer?
Tukpo. I'm serving in Makodi, but we're posted to Tukpo government.
Under which section?
Under Agro Rangers.
So you were seconded to Agro Rangers?
Yes, sir.
To go,
Yes, sir.
and you were on patrols. Who detailed you for that duty?
If DSC, I'm innocent.
He detailed you for the duty.
Yes, I'm twice.
Were you posted from Makodi, or did they call you from Makodi to go to that job, or you went on your own?
They call us from Makodi to assist people that came to Abuja in that place.
People that came from Abuja, are they policemen or
They are civil defense from Abuja,
from
but
Abuja?
they didn't come with their own hillocks.
Okay,
So I should convey and work with them in that place.
okay,
Yes, sir.
okay. Your action has led to the death of 2 persons.
Yes.
Are you remorseful?
I'm really because I never planned on that before in my life.
Your action was it deliberate or?
It was not deliberate. It was not deliberate. I don't know anybody that it was not deliberate, sir.
DJ ATV. DJ ATV.
People are people don't say no, they don't like us.
Welcome to DJ TV.
DJ ATV. DJ ATV. DJ ATV. DJ ATV.
Some of the delegates and ask them questions.
DJ ATV. DJ ATV. DJ ATV. DJ ATV.